Do you know what happens when someone steals cryptocurrency? There are special people who investigate these crimes. Let's learn about them. When cryptocurrency gets stolen, it's the job of certain groups to investigate. These groups are made up of experts who know a lot about digital crimes. They work together with other organizations to stop these types of thefts. Since cryptocurrency can be used anywhere in the world, it's really important for different groups and countries to work together. And a big part of a successful track and trace depends on sharing information and helping each other to catch these people who steal cryptocurrency, while at all times following strict privacy laws. So to investigate cryptocurrency theft, these experts need to be knowledgeable in the blockchain technology. They also use specialized software tools to help them track where the stolen cryptocurrency has gone. And also a big part of this is learning from past cases to get better understanding of identifying fraudulent patterns. If someone steals your cryptocurrency and you need help finding it, you can ask these experts for help. Anyone who knows how the blockchain works can track cryptocurrencies, but if you need to track and identify effectively, then you need to get in touch with a qualified cryptocurrency investigator.